Oh, well, good morning. Um, my name is Jose Manuel Guzman. This is the final log for my physical computing project I call it the Jedi car, but it's basically two servo motors that are controlling a car that was built with Legos. On the first level, we will find the Arduino Uno. It's connected with different pins to the second and third breadboard. I'm using the TR and TX in order to connect it with a blue smear uh, Bluetooth module, the silver one. Uh, actually, 7, if you're watching this, I grab it. I need it because I blew up the other one, so please don't get mad. I will return it as soon as possible. And on the last breadboard, as you can see, I connected the two servo motors. One is powered by its own 9-volt battery. The second 9-volt battery, it's powering the Arduino Uno, which is at the same time powering the Bluetooth and the second servo motor, which is not that big. So I figured that just two 9-volt batteries will be enough. Okay, as you had seen through the different videos, it took me a while to get here. Um, what I wasn't certain is how I was going to manipulate this car, and there was a lot of options. I even thought about creating an application that you can use on the cell phone in order to control it, or a VR application that you could see through a cell phone, and then a micro camera will allow you to feel like if you were inside this little car, which it was also a cool idea, but the amount of time it it was it was really reduced. So I needed to figure out something that could be cool, and then I could use it a little bit fast. So I decided to use the Mio armband. It's it's basically an armband that read the the muscle signals that are transmitted. So in order to figure out like different poses, for example, right now I'm on rest, but if I wave my if I finger my spread, they will catch it. If I wave out, it will check it in, wave in. As I do this, now I already connected to my computer, and then the computer it throws the signal into the car. So now if I move my arm, it will pick it up, and it will tell the Arduino to move the servo motor to an angle. Of course, there's a lot that I need to keep digging. Like there's different type of data that this armband can read. So, for example, if I rotate my arm, it could pick up that signal and the rotation, and also the position of the arm. So I could make it turn the degrees as I'm turning the arm in order to control the car. But actually, that will be in the next iteration. That is not longer going to be part of this project. It's going to be so if I pick it up from where I left it, it's going to be like my next iteration of the car. But that's the story for another day. Right now, what I can do is turn left, turn right, finger spread. Cool, right? Okay, let's go for a test run. And okay. So the way you start this card, it's with a double tap. Of course, I need to make it a little bit harder, and you stop it by closing your fist. Right? So here we go. Let's start. And nothing happened. Start. That's it. I pick it up. It's a little bit slower because probably their 9-volt batteries are running out of juice, but it still knows Okay. I need to. I need to change the batteries. Okay. This will continue, I promise.